Hello everyone, welcome to Project 3 of our Electronics Engineering Kit series, Controlling the Brightness. In this project, we'll be using a potentiometer to control the brightness of an LED. To do this project, you will need one Arduino Nano, one breadboard, one male-to-male jumper wire, two male-to-female jumper wires, which you will know because they have a metal prong sticking out on one end and a hole in the other, one 220 ohm resistor, one LED, and a potentiometer. This project is intended to teach you about potentiometers, which are just simple resistors. Resistors help limit the flow of current to help protect circuits, but they can also be used to control the output of components like an LED. In this case, the direction in which you twist the potentiometer will increase or decrease the resistance on current. And this will control the brightness of the LED because less or more current is flowing through it. Now, let's put together our circuit. I've already placed the Arduino on my breadboard, and so the next step will be to add our LED. I like to ensure that the ground or the shorter end of the LED is on my left-hand side. Now let's connect our resistor. Here I'll connect the ground of the LED to the negative rail of the breadboard. Although the potentiometer is a resistor, it's good to have another resistor like this 220 ohm resistor there to protect our circuit. Because what if I completely get rid of the resistance on this potentiometer? Then the 5-volt LED could be damaged, and so it's good to be safe. Now let's power the potentiometer by taking our light colored wire and connecting 5 volts from the Arduino Nano to the left part of the potentiometer, this one. You should hear a small click. Then we're going to take the other end and connect it to the power of the LED. We will connect the middle prong of the potentiometer and push it into the power of our LED on that row. You should be missing one, and that's okay, because all that matters is that we have one wire connected to the middle and one wire connected to the end, because as you turn the potentiometer, more and more resistance is created. Now let's connect the resistor to the ground of our Arduino by placing one end on the negative rail and connecting the other end to the ground. Now our circuit is complete. Now let's power our circuit. Here I'm using a power bank and a USB-C cord to power this. When I plug it in, the LED shines brightly. But as I turn more and more to the right, it gets dimmer. This is because there's more resistance that forms as I turn the potentiometer to the right. When I turn it to the left, the resistance decreases and the LED gets brighter. Congratulations, you've completed Project 3 of the Electronics Engineering Kit.